Hi everyone, welcome back to another portfolio update today. So I'll be going over my Trading 212 portfolio review, just going over the stocks, how they've done over the last week or so, and any new stocks I'll be planning on buying in the coming weeks. So I wasn't really going to do an update every single week. Obviously, I did say in the past I would probably do one every week, but I don't really feel like doing them every week. Well, I'm just going to now probably try and do them every 2 weeks, but if there's something worth talking about, I might do a little update for you. So this week, I know my last update was last week, so I thought I'll just it's been an interesting week this week. There are plenty of ups and downs. So we're currently, the portfolio is £2,853.41. The market is open while I'm filming this, so we will see some fluctuations in price. So I'm up 2.58% overall, or £74.08. You see a little jump there. So in the week, technically in the week we're down. Well, technically in the week, sorry, we're up a little bit, but this time last week we was up 1.52%. And as the week went on, we went right down, all the way down to only up barely in profit, up again to 52, and then down again. And then finally, yesterday, it was where we had a quite big jump. Stocks did quite well yesterday. And then since then it's dropped off a little bit again. So the market is open right now. So I'll just be going over the little stocks now. So the first one we'll talk about is Apple. Apple have had quite a rough, they've not done too bad. Well, not much growth this week, not really much change in the last 7 days, but in the month we can see they are down quite heavily, 7.65%. But I did expect this, as we can see, they did get up to the high of $156, and that is not the all-time high. Oh yeah, sorry, not the all-time high. Last few months it's the highest they've been. So I did expect them to have a little bit of a pullback, probably not to the extent that they have actually dropped. But again, a company like Apple, $1 trillion company, it's a bargain to buy them at this price at the moment. So they did from 156, which I expected, all the way down to 139, but they've managed to sort of pull back a little bit now, and maybe it's on the road to recovery, but we'll see. Either way, seeing that Apple are in the red almost 8% in the month is a huge buying opportunity in my opinion. So I'm over diving into the investment, so still just over 10 shares, 10.0500356 if you want to be specific. And the return, I'm up £122.95 or 13.15%. So there's been some news that Apple cars are going to be a bit more heavily ramped up, hopefully for 2024. And there's been rumours that they're going to even match Tesla. Whether that'll happen or not, we'll wait and see. Can't see it myself, but it's definitely interesting that Apple are making EVs. So next stock on the list is Bionano. Again, these have been struggling recently. Very, very volatile in the last month. They have some days where they're up 5%, days where they're down 5%. It's very, very strange to them at the moment, but again, it's a long-term hold for me, so I'm not really worried about what they're doing. In the last week, they're actually up 0.19%, and today 0.077%. I'm hoping if they do get to that stage they got to in January, which was $15, that would be quite good, as my average cost is only 6.3. So 168 shares at the moment of Bionano. Total investment value is £646 as we speak. And my return is I'm down 17.08% or £133. This is a stock which obviously fairly cheap. I think it's only around £4 to buy in obviously our currency. So again, if I get any more spare cash, I probably will look to average down a little bit more, but I am tempted to just leave it now and just try to ride it out. So that's the second stock on the list, which is Bionano. So the last stock on my list, I know it's not really much of a portfolio, but bear with me, I'm trying to build this stock by stock. So next we have is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. So at the moment they're $787. It's been quite a decent week for them, up a bit, not as much as I've been in the weeks leading up to this, but still up 1.59% in the last week. And in the month up 4.48%, and last 3 months 20%. So Tesla, they have been on a ride recently. I did buy around this mark, so I was buying when they was literally falling down. So around February time I got them, but I've been patient. Obviously I know the company's going to be absolutely massive in the future. So on my investment, I'm up 8.37% now. Bearing in mind I was down around 20% with these at one point, but I managed to claw it back a little bit. So I'm up £89, just over 2 shares owned, investment totaling at £1,156. So that's the portfolio. So I will now just have a look at some stocks that are on my sort of watch list, what I'll be looking to buy next. So here are the 2 stocks, Legal and General Group, which are obviously insurance and stuff like that. These have been doing really well recently. I've actually already had them once in the portfolio, but I sold them. I sort of wish I didn't now, but you know, you live and learn. So up massively in the year, Legal and General, £2.83 a share now. This is a stock which I think could be a good, has a bit of everything, pays dividend, can get a bit of growth out of them, very profitable company as well. So UK stock, which I don't have enough of, I do want to add more UK stocks to this portfolio. As well as that, I've got Palantir, who again, look like they could be a banger for the future. And they've got a price target of around $40, I think. I'm not too sure on that, but again, this is a stock that I do quite like. I've done a video on them in the past as well. So 2 stocks on my watch list, which I'll be looking to add in the coming months. So I'm going to leave you to it today, guys. Don't forget to give a like. Let me know what you think of the stocks in the portfolio. And yeah, just get the engagement on, guys. I enjoy it. So on that note, I'm going to leave you to it. Take care.